In this video, I will show you the process to create the credentials to connect Airtable and n8n. So as a first step, obviously, you will need to make sure that you have an n8n account. If you don't have an n8n account, or if you don't have n8n installed as self-hosted, you can follow the self-hosting video, or you can use the cloud version. This is exactly the same working principle. So here to create the Airtable connection, we'll first need to go to Airtable. So this is not the normal way to get to Airtable. This is a little bit of a specific URL. So this is airtable.com/create/tokens. And here, as you can see, under the developers section, we have three different kinds of token access. So we'll use the auth integration. That's what I found to be the most stable and the most versatile. So here we'll create the new integration. So you can name it whatever you like. And here we'll need a parameter, which is the redirect URL. So for that, we need to create a set of credentials within n8n. So if you don't know how to do that, once you are logged into n8n, you will see a plus button, and then you can select credential. Make sure that you use the right folder if you have folders. And here you're going to look for Airtable, and that's Airtable auth2 API. Click on continue, and here you'll be provided by the redirect URL. So copy this and then head back over inside Airtable Developers Hub and register the integration. Within n8n, you'll see that we need two different parameters, the client ID and the client secret. So here, under the developers detail, you will find the client ID, which you'll need to copy and paste. And next, you will see that the secret key hasn't been generated yet, so you will need to generate a new client secret. So I will generate the client secret, and then I'll copy this, and then I'll paste it in the client secret here. And I will make sure that this is renamed, so you name it whatever you like. Airtable account credentials, so be explicit enough so that if you have different accounts or different accounts for different clients, you don't get lost. So here we'll click on done. We'll select all records, all the scope records, and we can leave everything else empty and then save changes. And just to make sure that this is all working correctly, we are going to go and create a new workflow. So choose the folder within which the credentials are. And here I'm going to use a manual trigger, and here Airtable. And here I'm going to get many databases. I'll select the token credentials, get many, and then execute step. And so as you can see, this one hasn't been working, but this one is working. So you can see that we have now retrieved all the databases. So that's pretty much all there is to it. It's not complicated, but it can be a little bit confusing if you've never done it before. So I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.